Microsoft is changing a major Windows security system after 15 years. And most PC users have absolutely no idea this is happening. Since 2011, Windows computers have used something called Secure Boot Certificate. And now don't worry about the technical name, here is what it actually means. Whenever you turn on your PC, Secure Boot checks whether the system starting your computer is safe and trusted or dangerous or fake. This protection helps stop things like boot viruses, rootkits, ransomware and malware attacks. This can happen before even Windows opens. But here is an important part. Those old security certificates are expiring today in 2026. So Microsoft is now rolling out completely new security certificates to millions of computers around the world. And honestly speaking, this is one of the biggest silent cybersecurity upgrades Windows has ever done in years. Why does this really matter to you? Because it improves protection against modern hackers and it makes your Windows updates safer and it protects your banking and works data better and strengthens your security for future AI powered cyber threats. Here is the good news. You don't need a technical expert. You just do these three things. Keep your Windows updated, restart your PC whenever Windows asks you to, and never disable Secure Boot. A lot of people ignore updates because they think they are annoying or useless. But many updates quietly protect your entire digital life in the background. Follow for more tech awareness and AI updates and security tips. Thank you.